Hello, this is Reverend Don Lewis coming to you from beautiful cyberspace. And with me is...
Ed, and we're bringing you the Infinite Tarot project that we're working on. I've been reading tarot for 40 years.
And I've been reading tarot for about 40 years too. And in those many years I've had a lot of experiences that I have brought to bear on my ability to read tarot, and I've also created the Tarot of Hecate, which is an expanded idea of tarot including 100 cards. It includes a number of extra major arcana, it includes an additional suit, and that is part and parcel to what we're going to be speaking of. In addition, we've also created online classes. There is a book for the Tarot of Hecate, and also an online tarot reader.
Now we're going to take our tarot to the next level. Tarot AI. You've been hearing all about artificial intelligences and talking about programs. Well, we've already created an online tarot program. And through the years, we've built a lot of architecture to create an open system of reading that is very intuitive. And now we're going to add a tarot reading program that we hope will eventually be programmed by AI. Yes, artificial intelligence. We want to take our tarot readings to the next level, which is everywhere in the future.
Ed and I have been working together for over a quarter of a century, and during that time we've done a great many things, including Psychic Chicago magazine and radio show, and the Roundtable magazine, which was a feature of the Chicago community for many years.
We also built Telepathic Media, which was a radio that got into your mind, a media company that basically began to change how the community worked. In its wake was a witch school project, which ran to a school for online people for over 300,000 people worldwide in 209 countries. We also built the Daily Spell, which is an online magazine which reached hundreds of thousands of people, which have covered major stories.
Soon to celebrate its 20th anniversary.
Soon to celebrate its 20th anniversary, a long-running project. And then we've also added Magic TV, one of the first YouTube channels to come out, 2005. And in that process, we have thousands of videos. And this man puts out a daily video, and has done for years. We have then Pagans Tonight Radio. Since 2009, we've been on the air 7 nights a week, bringing people broadcast information. So one thing we've done a really good job is building community and online architecture to bring metaphysical, spiritual, and overall great ideas to the web to share with everyone, and we're about to do it again.
And through it all, our guiding view has been one of access. Accessibility for everyone who wants to take part. And when we come to this project, access once again is our guiding light.
The Infinite Tarot system is a fully customizable system. Now, instead of looking for the perfect deck, you can build it. And the Tarot of Hecate is the first core system of that.
As I was saying earlier, the Tarot of Hecate includes an extra suit, the Suit of Lamps, and extra major arcana cards such as Time. And in building it this way, it was in its own way a customized tarot deck unlike any other. So in addition to the basic Tarot of Hecate, we've also created expansion packs that will allow you to customize it further. These include numerology, astrology, runes, subjects such as the 9 Muses, and potentially it's infinitely customizable. It can be changed into whatever you want it to be. So that instead of the tarot being reading according to someone else's vision, you can create it into your own vision in a way that's never really been quite this possible before, unless you're an artist wanting to create your own deck. This way you have an infinite variety of pieces of artwork and symbolism that you can incorporate into your deck, even if you can't draw them yourself.
And through our Infinite Tarot community and our Tarot AI software that we're creating, you'll be able to find ways to interpret the deck and find the symbols of it. Because you don't want your deck to work you, you want to work your deck. And when you do that, you can have the most amazing readings, not just physically, but online, offline, in every way. You can expand your tarot to heights that you've never expected.
With every book that I've written, I've always said the same thing. I have no desire to repeat what others have already said. Unless something original can be brought to the table, there's no point in just writing another book or creating another deck. In this case, we're bringing something very original to the table, something very new. And I often say that in the metaphysical sciences, we have a duty not only to pass on what has gone before, but to expand it and to create new things. And this is a new thing.
So today, I hope you will support Infinite Tarot, Cards, Community, and Cloud. bringing it all together for the next century.